Okay, so it appears that Samsung's S23 has revealed a lot about the S23 Ultra's debut. Or probably should I say everything. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, which retails for $229, will be given away as a pre-order bonus with the S23 series, according to a screenshot revealed by leaker Snoopy Tech, who is quite reliable. Now, pre-orders will begin on 2nd of February and will be end on 8th of that month. And that simply means the phones will be available on 9th of February. Now, the Samsung Columbia temporarily made an announcement on the website of the Samsung Galaxy S23 debut date. And that indicates almost the same thing. It indicates that the Unpacked event will be held on 1st February, and there is nothing to doubt about it. However, the website was shortly removed, but we know it thanks to Ice Universe. And this is something that happens almost every single year, and we love it. Now, for comparison, the Galaxy S22 was unveiled on 9th of February. Now, a few rumors also appeared to be confirmed by the poster itself. The water drop camera cutout design will be used by both the regular and the Plus models of this year, aside from the Ultra model. The Phantom Black, Botany Green and Mystic Lilac color possibilities appears to be supported by this information as well. And if you don't know, grey, light blue, light green and red color Galaxy S23 Ultra models are also going to be offered in a limited quantities Samsung.com exclusive products, according to a recent tweet by very reliable leaker Ross Young. So that's actually pretty exciting. By the way, report also saying that Samsung could increase the price of the Galaxy S23 lineup. And that is going to be a different kind of story if you look at it deeply. And talking about the upgrades this year, definitely it's all about the battery and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 more than anything else. And yes, the Ultra model will definitely gonna come with a 200 megapixel camera, and as much as we have heard that the standard and the Plus model will come with last year's 108 megapixel camera, but I will definitely keep an eye on this one. You can subscribe this channel if you want to know more, or definitely visit my website. But in terms of charging though, as we have noted it earlier, that it will not come with any sort of improvements as much. The standard model, the cheapest model, will actually still gonna have 25-watt fast charging, and that's kind of disappointing in this day and age. But the Ultra and the Plus model will still come with the Samsung's own 45-watt fast charging, and there is no improvement in there as well. I have ton more news coming right after this video, so definitely subscribe this channel. Okay, after releasing this free 8K wallpaper pack, here is absolutely stunning 8K wallpaper pack called Lightbeam. On any monitor, computer, tablet or even smartphone, it looks awesome. Want to see right away on your devices? Visit my website, link down below. It's for everything tech, where you will find free watch faces and tons of tech news much faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.